Above the ocean, a new civilization grows, connected to the network below.
Today, we begin constructing a massive highway beneath the ocean.
Engineers scan the seabed to identify the most stable route. Deep-sea robots inspect the terrain for structural feasibility.
Soil testing determines if the seabed can support massive structures.
Laboratory analysis confirms the strongest construction zones.
The exact route is now marked across the ocean surface. Anchors secure the path against powerful ocean forces.
The complete underwater highway design is finalized.
The construction zone is secured and cleared for operations.
Massive machinery arrives, marking the beginning of construction.
Heavy excavation machines are carefully deployed into the ocean. Machines anchor themselves firmly to begin controlled excavation. Excavation begins as powerful cutters break into the seabed. Extracted material is removed through powerful underwater suction systems. The trench begins to form as excavation moves deeper. Support systems stabilize the trench to prevent collapse. High-pressure jets refine the trench for accurate construction. Precision leveling ensures the trench meets exact engineering standards. Temporary barriers define the structure of the underwater corridor.
The first excavation phase is complete, ready for structural construction.
Foundation systems move into position to begin structural construction. A dense gravel base is laid to support the highway structure.
Powerful compaction creates a solid and stable foundation base.
Steel grid frameworks are installed to reinforce the foundation. Precision welding bonds the foundation into a unified structure. Concrete is poured to form a durable and continuous base. The base is leveled with extreme precision for structural accuracy.
A protective layer shields the structure from harsh ocean conditions.
Reinforcements strengthen the foundation for heavy load support.
The foundation is complete, ready for the main highway structure.
Giant structural segments arrive to form the main highway body. The first segment is positioned with extreme precision.
The structure locks into place, forming the first section of the highway.
Additional segments connect seamlessly to extend the structure. Sealing systems ensure complete protection against water pressure. Internal reinforcements strengthen the tunnel against extreme forces. The tunnel rapidly expands as segments are installed in sequence. Protective coatings shield the tunnel from long-term ocean exposure. Stabilization systems secure the tunnel firmly in place.
The main structure is complete, ready for internal development. Interior construction begins as the roadway base is prepared.
A durable road layer is applied to ensure long-term performance.
The road surface is compressed for maximum strength and smoothness. Lane markings are applied to guide future traffic safely. Advanced lighting systems bring the tunnel to life. Ventilation systems ensure fresh air circulation throughout the tunnel. Safety systems are integrated to protect future users. Smart systems monitor and control the entire highway environment.
Communication networks link every system for real-time control.
The interior is complete, ready for final testing and activation.
Testing begins as automated vehicles prepare for the first trial run. Initial movement tests confirm smooth and stable driving conditions.
High-speed testing ensures the highway performs under extreme conditions.
External pressure tests simulate the harshest ocean conditions. Sensors confirm the structure remains stable under extreme pressure.
Safety systems are tested to respond instantly to emergencies.
Ventilation performance is tested under maximum operational load. Communication networks are tested for uninterrupted performance. Full traffic simulation confirms readiness for real-world usage.
All tests are complete, and the highway is officially ready for operation.
The grand opening begins as the world prepares to witness this engineering marvel.
The tunnel opens, revealing a fully operational underwater highway.
The first vehicles enter, marking the beginning of real-world operation. Traffic flows smoothly through the fully optimized tunnel system.
The highway coexists safely with the surrounding marine ecosystem.
Advanced systems manage speed and traffic flow efficiently.
The highway supports both passenger travel and large-scale cargo transport.
Smart systems continuously optimize traffic for maximum efficiency. The journey completes as vehicles emerge from beneath the ocean.
A new era of engineering is complete, transforming how the world connects. Maintenance systems activate to ensure continuous and safe operation. Automated repairs maintain perfect road conditions in real time.
External inspections ensure the structure remains secure against ocean forces.
Expansion begins as new routes are added to the network.
New tunnels extend the highway into a growing network.
Upgraded energy systems ensure reliable and continuous operation.
Intelligent systems evolve to improve efficiency and traffic flow.
New materials enhance speed and durability across the highway. The highway integrates into a global transportation network. The project evolves into a global network, redefining future transportation. The highway evolves as smart road technology begins activating.
Assist.
Enable precise and frictionless vehicle movement. High-speed pods introduce a new era of ultra-fast transportation. Hyperloop systems expand the network with near-instant travel capabilities. Artificial intelligence manages traffic with perfect efficiency. Vehicles charge wirelessly while traveling at full speed.
Real-time data enhances safety and navigation throughout the journey.
Predictive maintenance keeps the highway operating flawlessly at all times. Security systems ensure safe and controlled movement across the network. The future of transportation is now fully realized beneath the ocean.
The tunnel transforms into a breathtaking glass corridor beneath the ocean.
Luxury travel meets nature as vehicles glide through the ocean view.
VIP pods deliver a fully immersive underwater travel experience.
Travelers witness marine life up close in a controlled and safe environment.
Smart lighting enhances both safety and the visual experience. High-end service stations redefine comfort beneath the ocean. Dedicated tourism lanes create a unique underwater journey experience.
Real-time information transforms travel into an educational experience.
Curved glass sections deliver stunning panoramic ocean views. A new era of luxury travel is born beneath the ocean. Early warning systems detect unusual seismic activity beneath the ocean. Seismic forces approach, triggering full emergency protocols. Traffic control systems respond instantly to ensure safety. Sectional barriers activate to isolate and protect the structure. Micro damage is detected and instantly contained by automated systems. Autonomous repair systems restore structural integrity within seconds. Controlled evacuation ensures maximum safety without panic. Stabilization systems counter external forces to maintain balance.
The system stabilizes as conditions return to safe levels.
The highway proves its strength, overcoming extreme challenges flawlessly. Advanced security protocols activate to protect the strategic infrastructure.
Every entry point is secured with advanced scanning technology. Autonomous drones provide constant surveillance across the network.
External defenses monitor the ocean environment for any threats.
Critical areas receive additional reinforcement for maximum protection. The system responds instantly to neutralize potential threats. communication systems guide traffic safely during security operations.
Central Command ensures complete control over the entire system.
Security systems reset as normal operations resume seamlessly. The highway stands secure, protected by next-generation defense systems. Floating city foundations begin rising above the ocean, connected to the highway below. The skyline of a new ocean civilization begins to take shape.
Seamless vertical transport connects the ocean highway to the city above.
Residential districts transform the platform into a livable city. Sustainable energy powers the growing ocean city.
The city becomes a hub of trade and global connectivity.
Advanced transport systems ensure smooth mobility across the city.
Citizens experience the ocean world from within their city.
A network of ocean cities emerges, connected across the globe. Humanity expands into a new era, building cities across the ocean. A powerful link between ocean infrastructure and space begins construction. Materials move seamlessly from the ocean network into space launch systems. Next-generation spacecraft are prepared for interplanetary transport. Advanced fueling systems prepare spacecraft for powerful launches.
The countdown begins for humanity's next step beyond Earth.
The launch marks a direct connection between ocean infrastructure and space. The journey continues beyond the atmosphere into space. The system expands beyond Earth into orbital networks. Seamless transfer systems connect Earth to space infrastructure. Humanity is now connected from the ocean floor to the stars. What began as an idea has become a fully living system beneath the ocean.
Above the ocean, a new civilization grows, connected to the network below.
The connection extends beyond Earth, linking ocean infrastructure to space. Every element works in harmony, creating a perfectly balanced system. Every step of the journey built a system designed to last forever. This is no longer just infrastructure. It is part of human life. A complete global network connects ocean, land, and space. Humanity expands beyond limits, connected across worlds. From the depths of the ocean to the edge of space, everything is connected. This is not just a project. This is the future of human civilization.